Yes, good evening, viewers. As I promised you, I'll be back to continue from where I stopped on the last video. On the last video, where we are talking about different issues concerning construction. For now, we are going to continue from where we stopped. We are going to start from as I said before, we were going to plan to see how would it cost to construct a 3-bedroom house, because in most cases, most people like 3-bedroom houses because it's the average house an individual can construct for his family. So for this case, we shall consider more especially roofing and building. Then next time we shall handle the issue of closing windows, doors, tiles, and whatever, and everything. Now we are going to consider our 3-bedroom house. I shall try by all means to illustrate so as it can be clear to every person who is watching this video. I will try by all means what I can. If it's not clear, you forgive me for that, but I will try by all means to make it clear. We are going to construct our 3-bedroom house, and we try to make some costs, to quote it, to see the possible materials, labor that might be required to complete our project. What I can try to show you, I don't know, I think it will be clear by all means. Now, this, it may not be clear, but let me try to tell you. I think you'll get it. In most cases, in most houses we've been constructing, 3-bedroom houses takes bricks between 40,000 and 50,000. Ebisinga zi block ezitera okugenda emitwalo 4 ku mitwalo 5. It even depends on the design of that building. You may construct a 3-bedroom house with a lot of designs, of which they take a lot of materials. So if I recommend, if you have little money, don't use a lot of designs that will take a lot of materials. Even when we reach on roofing, we shall see that the more the designs you try to put on your house, the more the iron sheets will be needed. Our 3-bedroom house will take, let us assume that we have used a medium design. It's not having a lot of designs, but it is having some designs, like we're having the shade, especially those houses that take a lot of designs. They're having a lot of valleys, a lot of hips, something like that. That's what I can say. That's what I mean when I say by the design. We have assumed that we are going to use 40,000 bricks, and each brick will cost 300. I think if you want to get it clear, you must get a pen and a piece of paper, and we try to follow each other. We shall work together, because since this paper which I'm having, it may not be visible where I'm writing, where I'm showing you, it may not be visible to you. This paper, this white paper, it may not be clear. I think you must get your own pen and get a piece of paper and try to see whether you can afford. Sometimes we fear to make things, because we just think that this money is too much, we may not manage, it's too costly, of which it may not be like what you think. It's just a matter of concentrating and do your project. We'll continue. We said 4,000 bricks, each costs 300, meaning that the total will be 1.2 m. Block as well. Now, to do cement, we are first considering the materials. Then we are now moving to cement. Cement, let us assume that a bag will cost 35,000. It depends on where you have bought or the amount you have bought. Oba oguze mungi bakusalirako, oba n'otwalirako 38 bwe batyo. Rather kusatu kitundu, between 3 kuba 38. Let us assume that tugiguze 3 kitundu. Our 3-bedroom house ejatwala ensawo 8 za cement, right? I've assumed that tetuzimbye mu lutobazi nti oba tunakosa foundation ngegenze mu cement mungi. I have not assumed that one. Mbaze tuzimbye wantu nga the foundation will not take a lot of cement. So okwata mitwalo 3 mu kitundu times 8, tuba tufuna omeka awo. 3 kitundu times 8, it's around 2.8? 2.8? 45, 70, it is around 1.4. 35, 70, 18. No, it's 2.8. 2.8. Already have got it. Now we shall consider the steel. The steel, our house which we are going to construct, we shall not use the beam for the whole house. Enyumba yonna tugenda giteeka mu beam, tugenda teeka kati mu maaso wano, mu maaso where there is load, awali obuzito obungi awo tugenda teeka beam. Let us assume that tugenda gula emitayimbwa gyaffe meka nga 6, kubanga bwanga eriko shade ebiseera ebisinga ebeera mu bbanga. Engeri ebeera mu bbanga bayetaaga kolomu, yetaaga ne beam eziyitako. Kati we shall assume that mu maaso line tugisibyemu emitayimbwa, kolomu tusimbyeko, gyonna rafu tugyakola emitayimbwa gyaffe 10, nga buli mutayimbwa gumu tugoze 40,000, kati gye 40,000 awo gawedde. Kati mulimu extra costs, simanyi buying wire, simanyi byasi n'obuntu obulala obutonotono bonja bugata bugasi, kubanga bwo tebufulumya sente nyingi nnyo. Tujja bala nti bumazeeko 20,000 kale 20,000. Then awo tudda ku musenyu. Omusenyu tujja kukozesa ogw'ennyanja n'ogwa plastic. Mu video yaffe esoose, in the first video we said that the trip will cost 160,000. Yes, 160,000. Trip tujja kukosaako trip meka? Tugenda kukosaako trip nnya at first. Kubanga twagambye tugenda kubala just building and roofing. That one excludes plastering and other finishes. Tubale 5 kale. 5. Tujja kubala 5. 5 emitwalo meka? Emitwalo nga 8. Emitwalo 8 omusenyu tugumaze. Ndowooza kati ebisinga obungi tuba tukakavalinze. Kati ekirala we shall consider roofing. Maybe we shall deal with them at once. Roofing tugenda kukola mabaati. Our 3-bedroom house will cost. Remember at first I said the more the designs you put on your house, the more the iron sheets, the more the cost. We shall use medium designs, which means we shall need like 70 or 75 pieces of iron sheets. 75 pieces of iron sheet, and each iron sheet costs, those are, even if I don't multiply them, and you can multiply them and get that final result, final answer. Because for me, I'm just giving you the highlight to make it simple, to simplify, to make it simple, so as you can understand it clearly. Now we have said that 75 pieces are enough, and each piece costs, we shall use Super Eco emitwalo 4 n'ekitundu. Let us use other cheap. I'm not here to advertise for companies of iron sheets, but let us try to use the average one. We shall use the iron sheet that costs 40,000. Even if we don't mention the company. After iron sheet, we shall see the iron sheets of 40,000. Now we shall consider the nails, emisumali, butimba, yes, simanyi paya ne buchobo. Tujja kubalira around 1.5. Twagambye pieces 75 emirundi meka? Emirundi 4,000. Tugisanga tuli ndowooza million nga 3. Amabaati oludde oli million nga 3. Then bino ebirala tubala migongo, obusumaali, biki ebyo n'obulala bugatagatako, tujja kuba million 2. This is a ton. Then roof it will take like 2.5 m. Then building will take like 2 m, which is 4.5 m. Katuga 4.5 m netukatako ziri million 5 zigeze ku mabaati n'emisumaali n'obutimba, to be around 9.5 bwe tugatako ziri ez'omusenyu n'obulala nga bwe tubugaseeko we're able to order around 3.5. Yes, because I didn't include the aggregates that may be required and other stuffs like timbers, whatever. Then timber will be around like 2M. So when you try, I have mentioned the most the expensive ones, so as to give us the average figure, because we may not get the exact figure, the exact value, meaning that having 20 to 25 million, you can construct your house. Thank you.